I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to remove the radio from your Honda Ridgeline. First, for your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, ensure your parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, with the ignition in position 1 and the brake pedal pressed, carefully move your gear selector into the drive position. This creates essential space for the next steps. Now, let's tackle the main dashboard panel. This large piece, which surrounds your radio and climate controls, is held in place by clips. Using a non-marring trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges to release these clips. Work slowly and steadily to avoid damaging the plastic. Remember, there are no screws holding this specific panel in, just clips. With the main panel loose, carefully pull it forward just enough to access the rear. You will find approximately 8 electrical connectors that need to be unclipped. Press the release tabs and gently pull each one. Once all connectors are free, set the panel aside. Now, locate and remove the 5 Phillips head screws holding the radio unit in place, 2 on the driver's side and 3 on the passenger's side. Finally, with the mounting screws removed, you can gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard. Behind the radio, you will find the main wiring harnesses and the antenna cable. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Take a moment to label each wire or take a photo before disconnecting, which will make reinstallation much simpler. And just like that, your radio is removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.